Hello everyone, I am Dr. Laksh Kumar Jha, National Vice President of FIMA. Today was the second hearing in Supreme Court regarding the PIL filed by us against National Testing Agency regarding the NEET UG paper leak. NTA today submitted affidavit in the Supreme Court as was asked in the previous hearing, and they have tried to explain that all the recommendations which were given by the Radhakrishnan committee in previous allegations of NEET paper leak has been implemented very well executed, and they have maintained various committees and foolproof measures that all this was done. But no one is trying to take accountability. As Honorable Supreme Court rightly tried to point out that someone has to take accountability about such events which are happening. Neither the National Testing Agency nor any other top officials of Education Ministry till now have taken any accountability as to who has to be blamed for such exam mafias who are running their nexus in this situation. Who has to be blamed? Isn't it right that it is a bare minimum thing to do that 22 lakh students' future went at stake because of administrative mistake, that the chairman of the National Testing Agency should resign, the top official of Education Ministry should take accountability and give their resignation? Isn't this the bare minimum thing which should happen? We are closely following up this matter, and we are very hopeful that Honorable Supreme Court would take appropriate decisions and would monitor under their supervision the further proceedings of this exam, and appropriate new authority is constituted for this matter, and henceforth no such issues would ever happen, and the future of medical students would never come at stake.